My name is Trishawn Holbrook, and my story is called Stink Bomb Fight. One day, my two older brothers, one of my younger brothers, and I were all playing outside with one of my older brother's friends. And my big brother said, "Let's have a stink bomb fight." And we all said okay. So we all started throwing stink bombs. I was having a really fun time until a stink bomb hit me really hard. I was so mad that I did something evil, something really evil, something really, really evil. I went all around the front yard, gathered all the stink bombs, and boom, I threw every last stink bomb that I found right at my younger brother, Rayshawn, my two older brothers, Damien and Tracy, and at my older brother, Damien's friend, Luke. Tears came out of Rayshawn's eyes, of course, but not out of the rest of them, because you know how tough they are. But when I looked back at their faces, I knew they wanted to do something about it. So I hid inside my house with a big smile on my face. After about 20 seconds, I got up and went in the bathroom to wash my hands. And when I walked out the bathroom, my older brother Tracy scared me. And when he did, I looked down at his hand, and I saw a disgusting little smelly stink bomb. And at that moment, I ran upstairs really fast and hid in my room until the fight was over, because if I got hit again, then I would just have to do all that stuff over again, and I wouldn't want that to happen. Now here's the question you all might have. What is a stink bomb? Well, a stink bomb is a green little ball that's really stinky, but it grows on trees, so it's a piece of nature. So if you plant one, good luck with that, because your parents will be spraying Febreze outside your house, just for a warning.